Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to public administration. Public administration, a form of governance or public policy and administration, an academic discipline, is implementation of public policy, administration of government establishment, public governments, management of non-profit establishment, non-profit governments, and also a subfield of political science taught in public policy schools that studies this implementation and prepares civil servants, especially those in administrative positions, for working in the public sector, voluntary sector, some industries in the private sector, dealing with government relations and regulatory affairs, and those working as think tank researchers. Every sphere of social, economic, and political life has control. This means that in order for an organization or institution to function properly, it must be properly governed or managed. And from this concept comes the idea of management. Some of the various definitions which have been offered for the term are the management of public programs, the translation of politics into the reality that citizens see every day, and the study of government decision making, the analysis of the policies themselves, the various inputs that have produced them, and the inputs necessary to produce alternative policies. The word public administration is the combination of two words, public and administration. In every sphere of social, economic, and political life, there is administration, which means that for the proper functioning of the organization or institution, it must be properly ruled or managed, and from this concept emerges the idea of administration. Public administration is the future of all nations, whatever their system of government. Within nations, public administration is practiced at the central, intermediate, and local levels. Indeed, the relationships between different levels of government within a single nation constitute a growing problem of public administration. Traditionally, the civil service is contrasted with other bodies serving the state full-time, such as the military, the judiciary, and the police. Specialized services, sometimes referred to as scientific or professional civil services, provide technical rather than general administrative support. Traditionally, in most countries, a distinction is also made between the home civil service and those persons engaged abroad on diplomatic duties. A civil servant, therefore, is one of a body of persons who are directly employed in the administration of the internal affairs of the state, and whose role and status are not political, ministerial, military or constabulary. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was the host, Serikbayev Syrym. Goodbye.